Good morning.
Good morning, my love. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept well. And you?
I slept well too. Are you hungry?
Yes, I am very hungry.
I will make breakfast.
Thank you. What are we having today?
Coffee and toast.
That sounds perfect.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee, please.
With milk?
Yes, with milk.
Sugar?
Just a little.
White bread or whole grain bread?
White bread, please.
I will set the table.
Thanks. Can you bring the plates?
Yes, I will come back soon.
Do we have butter?
Yes, it is in the fridge.
And jam?
Yes, strawberry jam.
What are your plans today?
I work in the morning and have meetings.
Afternoon plans?
I go to the supermarket.
I come home late today.
No worries. I will be home for dinner.
That is nice.
The coffee is ready now.
Great.
Please sit down.
Thank you. It looks nice.
I am happy.
This is a nice morning together.
Yes, let's enjoy breakfast.
Morning bus ride to work. Good morning.
Good morning. Sorry I am late. Thank you for waiting.
No problem.
I ran to catch the bus.
I saw you. Are you okay?
Yes, I am fine. Are you going to work?
Yes, like every day. The bus is fast today.
Yes, there is not much traffic.
It is cold outside.
Yes, it is very cold.
The bus is warm.
Yes, that is better.
Do you take this bus every day?
Yes, every day.
I also take this same line.
I think I recognize you now.
What time do you start work?
At 9 o'clock.
Then you are on time.
Yes, just in time.
Is your office near the city center?
Yes, a small office. Mornings are busy.
Yes, it is always busy at this time.
Do you have a long workday today?
Yes, I have a lot of work.
Good luck today.
Is your stop next?
Yes, almost there now.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
I am good, thank you. And you?
I am good too.
You arrived early today.
Yes, the bus was fast.
That is lucky.
Yes, what are we doing today?
We have a lot of work today.
What tasks do we have?
First, the emails.
Okay.
After that, a meeting.
What time is it?
At 10 o'clock.
Who is in the meeting?
The manager and a client.
Ah, that is important.
Yes, a little. Will it take long?
No, only 30 minutes.
Perfect. Then the reports.
The ones from yesterday?
Yes, exactly those.
Should I do them?
Yes, please.
Okay. Anything else?
Yes, we need to call a client.
Now or later?
Better after the meeting.
All right. Are we having lunch together today?
Yes, at 1 o'clock.
Perfect. Shall we have coffee now?
Yes, good idea.
Then let's go.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
I am good, thank you. And you?
I am good too.
You arrived early today.
Yes, the bus was fast.
That is lucky.
Yes, what are we doing today?
We have a lot of work today.
What tasks do we have?
First, the emails.
Okay.
After that, a meeting.
What time is it?
At 10 o'clock.
Who is in the meeting?
The manager and a client.
Ah, that is important.
Yes, a little. Will it take long?
No, only 30 minutes.
Perfect. Then the reports.
The ones from yesterday?
Yes, exactly those.
Should I do them?
Yes, please.
Okay. Anything else?
Yes, we need to call a client.
Now or later?
Better after the meeting.
All right. Are we having lunch together today?
Yes, at 1 o'clock.
Perfect. Shall we have coffee now?
Yes, good idea.
Then let's go.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Can you help me?
Yes, what is the problem?
My computer is not working.
Does it turn on?
No, it does not.
Since when?
Since this morning.
Did you use it yesterday?
Yes, it worked yesterday.
Is it plugged in?
Yes, I think so.
Do you see any lights?
No, I do not see anything.
Let me have a look.
Thank you. Can I check the cable too?
Yes, of course. The cable is loose.
Really?
Yes, I will plug it in properly.
All right.
Please try again now.
Let me see. Oh, it is working now.
Great. Is everything okay now?
Yes, everything is fine.
That is good.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Do you need anything else?
No, everything is okay.
Please save your work now.
Yes, I will do that. Thank you for coming so quickly.
No problem. That is my job. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Do you have a minute?
Yes, of course.
I would like to ask for some holiday leave.
All right. For when?
For next month,
Which dates do you need?
from the 10th to the 20th.
That is 10 days.
Yes, 10 days.
Have you booked your tickets yet?
Not yet. I want to do that soon.
I see. Is there any problem with those dates?
No, I do not think so.
That is good news. Who will do your work during that time?
I can prepare everything before I leave.
Very good. Is this your first holiday this year?
Yes, it is my first one.
Then there is no problem.
Is the leave paid?
Yes, it is fully paid.
And what about the bonus?
The bonus will stay the same.
Perfect. Do I need to write a request?
Yes, please.
I will write it today.
Very good. I will check it later.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Enjoy your holiday when the time comes.
Thank you. I am looking forward to it.
I hope you have a wonderful trip.
Thanks. I am very excited.
Good evening.
Good evening. It is my first time here.
Welcome. Do you want to exercise or walk on the treadmill?
I want to walk for a while.
Very good. Do you enjoy walking?
Yes, it helps me relax.
The evening is a nice time for it.
How long should I walk?
Start with 10 minutes.
Fast or slow?
Slow and comfortable.
Do I need to warm up first?
Yes, a little.
How can I warm up?
Move your arms and legs.
Like this?
Yes, very good.
Can I use this treadmill?
Yes, it is free.
Thank you. Should I listen to music?
If you like, yes.
I enjoy walking with music.
That sounds nice. What will you do after that?
I think I will do some stretching.
That is a good idea.
Is stretching important?
Yes, it is very important.
How many times should I come each week?
2 or 3 times is good at the beginning.
Yes, I want to start slowly. Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Tell me if you need anything.
I will. Thank you.
Good evening.
Good evening.
I would like to buy a few things.
Of course. What do you need?
Bread and milk, please.
White bread or wholemeal bread?
White bread, please.
Anything else?
Yes, I need eggs.
How many eggs do you want?
1 dozen, please.
All right.
I also need some fruit.
Which fruit would you like?
Apples and bananas.
How many would you like?
4 apples and 3 bananas.
Perfect. Do you need anything for dinner?
Yes, rice and some vegetables.
Which vegetables would you like?
Tomatoes and carrots.
Very good. Do you need cooking oil?
No, thank you. I already have some.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, 1 bottle of water, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. Is that everything?
Yes, that is everything.
All right, let us go to the till. How much is it?
The total is 15 pounds.
I will pay by card.
Perfect. Here is your receipt.
Thank you. Have a nice evening.
Thank you. You too.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Are you all right, sir?
Yes, I am all right, thank you.
Do you need some help?
A little, if you do not mind.
Of course. Please tell me.
I have some pain in my leg.
Would you like to sit down?
Yes, please.
There is a bench over here.
Thank you.
Please sit down slowly. Is that better?
Yes, it feels better now.
Do you live nearby?
Yes, in that building.
Would you like me to call someone?
No, thank you. That is not necessary.
Is the pain very strong?
Only a little.
Can you walk?
Not very well.
Did you feel dizzy?
No, only the pain.
Would you like some water?
No, thank you.
Since when have you had the pain?
Since this morning.
There is a pharmacy near here.
Really?
Yes, it is only 5 minutes away.
That sounds good.
I can go there for you.
Thank you very much.
Are you here alone?
Yes, but it is all right.
Please rest on the bench.
Thank you.
Do not stand up. I will come back soon.
Thank you, young lady.
I will not be long.
Thank you for your kindness.
Good evening.
Good evening. How can I help you?
I need a cream, please.
What is it for?
It is for an elderly man with leg pain.
Does he have pain now?
Yes, he does.
Did he hurt his leg?
Yes, it was a small injury.
Does he have any allergies?
No, he does not.
Very good. This cream is gentle.
How should he use it?
2 times a day.
In the morning and evening?
Yes, exactly.
How much is it?
It is 5 pounds.
All right. Do you have something for the pain?
Yes, these tablets can help.
Are they strong?
No, they are mild.
How should he take them?
1 tablet a day with food.
Perfect. Does he need a prescription?
No, that is not necessary. Anything else?
No, that is all.
Please visit a doctor if the pain does not get better.
Yes, I will tell him.
That is important.
Of course. Can I pay by card?
Yes, no problem.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. I hope he feels better soon.
Thank you. Have a nice evening.
You too. Goodbye.
Hello.
Hello, my love. How was your day?
A bit long, but I am fine. How is yours?
Mine was long too. I am tired.
I understand. What are you doing now?
I am making dinner.
It smells really nice.
Thank you. Tonight I am cooking chicken and rice.
I love that meal. Can I help you?
Of course. Please cut the onion.
All right. Did you have many meetings today?
Yes, too many. It was not easy.
Yes, but the day is over now.
That is the important thing. Was there much traffic?
Yes, a lot. I came home late, too.
At least we are home now.
Yes, it feels better here. Shall I set the table?
Yes, thank you.
Plates and glasses?
Yes, and the knives and forks too.
Everything is ready now.
Great. The rice is almost ready.
Perfect. I am very hungry.
Me too. Would you like something to drink?
Water is fine.
All right. We can eat and relax after that.
That sounds nice.
We both need some rest.
Yes, it has been a busy day.
Tomorrow will be easier, I hope.
I hope so too.
Dinner will be ready in a minute.